Hi guys, Madam Excellence here. Today I'll be showing you how to make this delicious jollof rice. Stick around, I'll show you how. First of all, go ahead with your tomatoes. Chop your tomatoes like this. We're going to be blending it. And then your peppers. And then your spring onions. Chop them like so. This is going to be so delicious. And then habanero peppers like that, and then your garlic and ginger. Yes, I'm using 2 full cloves of garlic, 2 full cloves of garlic. Yes, garlic is very good for you and me, so don't be shy when using them. As well as bell peppers, I'm using 2 full ones. So the jollof rice is the star of this dish, just so you know. And then blend them all up. Look at what I have. The juiciness, the concentrated deliciousness, the aroma. Whoa. And then that's my rice. I boiled it up for like 3 minutes. And then I'm rinsing it off. And then in a pan, hot pan, putting your oil, your vegetable oil, olive oil, whatever oil you have. Then you throw in your onions. By the way, in that blended stuff that I blended before, I also put in a whole full onions. Okay. Jollof rice is the star of this video. I'm not showing you how I made my beef or my chicken. I just want to go ahead and show you how I made my rice. If you want to know the full one with the chicken and all that, I will leave links in the description box. You will see other videos. And then after the onions is golden brown, is sweated a bit, pour in your blended tomatoes and peppers, and then give it a good stir. We are going to be reducing this water. See how watery it is? We're going to be cooking it till the water is all gone, at least almost all gone. Yeah, you see how watery it is? Yeah. And then we're going to go ahead and we are putting in our spice. I've got the basil, curry, parsley. That's the thyme going in. And then my curry powder. Yeah. So delicious. It already smells so good. It smells so good, guys. And then my parsley, my dried parsley flakes. If you're new to this channel, don't be shy. It's free. Hit the like and the subscription button so that you keep getting notification. And hit the bell as well. You don't want to miss out. And then we're adding our salt, and then we're adding our chicken cubes, Maggi cubes. Hit the bell, hit the subscribe button. You don't want to miss out. There are really delicious meals on this channel, guys. Give it a good stir. And then slowly, we are going to be putting in our rice, our ready parboiled rice, slowly in bits, like so. That's what we are going to be doing right away. And then as you put it in, stir it up, put it in again, stir it up till everything is evenly distributed in the pot. If you like this video so far, please give the like, the subscribe, and hit the bell. Share this video with your community and your friends so that they don't miss out. This is a very delicious jollof rice recipe. Super delicious, super delicious. And that is my chicken stock. I'm just pouring it a bit. You see what I did? I just let it cover just a little. You see, the water is not too much. Is just sitting just beneath the rice, because we don't want our rice to be soggy. We want it to come out crispy. There you go. So all I need to do is just keep it on the fire, low heat, for it to dry completely. Or you can just throw it in the oven and it will dry up completely. So this is it. Look at how delicious it looks. It smells so good. You see, I did not use any tinned tomatoes this time around. Everything is fresh. Everything I used in this rice is all fresh. Like from the tomatoes to the peppers, onions, garlic, ginger, everything was fresh. So go ahead and try this recipe with your family. Give me feedbacks. Leave a comment in the comment section, and I will see you in the next video. And before that, have a great day. Have a wonderful day. Enjoy yourself with your family. Stay safe and change the world if you want, if you can. Thank you.